morning students. Welcome to your GK class. Now today we are going to do the chapter The Missile Man. Okay, we are going to do the chapter The Missile Man. See, this is your GK book. Open your GK book, page number 39. That is chapter 23. You can see here chapter 23, The Missile Man. Okay, you know who is known as the Missile Man? Our ex-president, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That person is known as the Missile Man. Okay, so today we are going to read the story, like a short part which is given here. We are going to read about it. Who means what is the scenario of this Missile Man, and then we will, on the basis of this, we are going to solve the exercise which is given here. Okay, so let's read. He was born on 15th October 1931 in a Tamil family. His father, Janul Abdin, was a boat owner. His mother, Ashiama, was a housewife. They lived in Ramanathpuram district of Tamil Nadu. Kalam did not have an easy and privileged life. That means he had a very hard life, and this is all about that we know about Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abdul Kalam. Now let's solve it. Read the clues and fill in the crosswords on Dr. Kalam. See, I will fill this on the board, and then on the basis of this you are going to solve this. How you will solve? Just see here. First one, Dr. Kalam was born in dash. So here you will fill it. Okay, like this. Is it clear? Take a pencil in your hand and let's start solving it. Okay, let's start. First one, Dr. Kalam was born in dash. You all know where Dr. Kalam was born? He was born in Rameshwaram. Okay, he was born in Rameshwaram. He was elected as the dash president of India. He was elected as the dash president of India. Which president? You all know which president? 11th. 11th president of India. Next question. He was a trained dash engineer. He was a trained dash engineer. Which engineer? Aerospace. Okay. Next, fourth sentence. What is the fourth sentence? He was awarded the dash in 1997. What he was awarded? He was awarded Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna. Okay. Next, he was given the honor of the Missile Man He was given the honor of Missile Man of India for his work on dash. For what? Ballistic missile. BALLISTIC. Ballistic missile. 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 Okay. Next, sixth question. He also had an important role. He also had an important role to play in the success dash nuclear test in 1998. Which nuclear test? Pokhran second. POKHRAN. Pokhran second. Okay. I hope you can see it properly. Now I will drop the above, then only we will solve the next. Seventh one, dash and dash are the books written by APJ Kalam. Which are the books written by APJ Kalam? They are Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds. Now eighth one, he passed away on 27th July 2015 in dash. He passed away where? He passed away in Shillong. Okay, that's all for this person, that is the Missile Man. Now you all know all the answers. Now we will solve it here. See, here you can see Dr. Kalam was born in Rameshwaram. You will write the spelling here. Okay. Next, he was elected as the dash president of India. 11th. You will write here. Okay. The spelling which I have already written on board, you will write here. He was a trained dash engineer, aerospace. Number 3 is given here. You will write here aerospace. Okay. He was awarded the dash in 1997 Bharat Ratna. See, this is number 4, that is Bharat Ratna. Okay, you will solve here. He was given the honor of Missile Man of India for his work on ballistic missile. Okay, you will solve here. Ballistic missile. This one. He also had an important role to play in the success of dashboard number 6, where number 6 is Pokhran War. Pokhran second nuclear test. Okay. Dash and Dash are the books written by APJ Kalam. Number 7, Ignited Mind and Wings of Fire. Okay, these are the books written by APJ Kalam. He passed away on 27th July 2015 in Shillong. Here you will write Shillong. Okay, that's all for this person. Okay, you will solve it this neatly in your book. Thank you.